Okay, so let's get started. Hi, dear Homely members and investors. Welcome to my video. This is MG from Homely Chat. Today, I'm gonna share you today's life diagnosis. Today is July 23rd. It's Thursday. We have another one more trading day to end this week. So it's quite fast. Yeah, every day. And if you remember just now, you also attend our live for trading class with our Mr. Jeff also benefit and learn something from there, right? Okay, no problem. We'll continue our today's live. And I'm also considering what's the what I can share, because now market cannot say very quiet, but how to say, kind of their trend is almost is similar, right? Similar. The whole week, the KLCI kind of goes sideways, also included Dow Jones, right? So sometimes actually this week, yeah, every day we do the live, but actually this week's strategy kindly is the same one. Okay, you can always put it into practice, because we know need to always change, right? And also your style also not so not always change. So I choose this topic because these 2 days we have very strong shares just shoot up. Okay, with influenced by the news or influenced by their capital push up. So I just put this this topic here. Yeah, Miss Choi, Lawrence, Peter, Karina, Eric, Charlie. Okay, nice to see you. So you can share this video to your friends, yeah, to your stock friends, so that they can also learn something from this video. Okay, before we start our video, before we start our diagnosis, and you know that this live one will start around 1 p.m. every trading day. If you want your stock to be diagnosed, you can send your share code number and the entry price to 011-1652-7962. Just send your share code number and entry price to 011-1652-7962. So I will check in my WhatsApp and then diagnosis for you. But sometimes I don't have much time to diagnose all in my life. So if you leave message here, I will check for you after the live, or in tomorrow's live, we'll check for you again. Okay, so this is disclaimer, so you know that this video is purely for study and discussion. Any direct or indirect loss or suffer by any person as a result of reliance on this video shall not be responsible. Okay, we take a look about the Dow Jones first. You can see my screen now. Okay, this is my screen. We take a look about the Dow Jones. Still kind of a sideways here. This is a Dow Jones. Dow Jones is kind of sideways here and still haven't covered this gap, right? Still haven't covered the gap. So we don't explain too much, but you know that the US also have a plan to postpone their stimulation economy plan. And we can also take a look about the NASDAQ. NASDAQ index also slightly slightly up to 0.2% yesterday. Haven't break new high with the profitable effect so far 65%. Not bad one, right? Not bad one. But we know that their technology companies will give financial report soon. So it should be careful, because many of the financial of their technology company don't have very good performance, as you know already. Also in US, in KLCI today, the technology also not so strong. We can take a look about the index first. Index of KLCI is still in sideways here, right? Sideways from this day. This day is July 14. July 14. from last week. Okay, from last week till now is sideways, and we also have mentioned here have a very strong resistance. So far now is Thursday, 4 days past, and we also see that the market is just kind of sideways here, right? As we assumed before, because we also say possibly the share market goes sideways. Too strong resistance, and also the country don't want it to go down, so we also give good policy to be as a supported. So today slightly up, right? Slightly up, and we take a look about the sectors. Okay, about this sector. Sector today. Okay, sector today, the whole market is driven by what? Hold on. The whole market today is driven by the energy and the construction. I didn't read much news, so you know any construction news? Or I think it's the deflation, right? Deflation news appeared, released something. Yeah, good afternoon, ma'am, Miss Wang. So, and we know that this is construction slightly driven this morning's market, and also energy not bad with 1%. Healthcare slightly up, but we know that Care Plus is the strongest one this morning, right? Very strong pushed up by the bankers again. Later we can check. Others is normal one. So today, 457 shares increased in this morning, and 447 and make even, and then down, okay, down, and 432 make even. So it's just a general, right? General, not so strong, not so weak. Okay, so we can take a look about our real-time chart here. And if we take a look about the top gainers, and when you click the percentage change, you can see the strongest share is the Bill, okay, Bilfa holding from 0179. So this share is kind of very strong today as the top one of today's chart. And we can, okay, so now I'm sharing, okay, what's the method? Actually, you can catch shares like this one. If you're intraday player, of course, you can easy to find it in the chart, right? In the tick chart. So when we entry, so we take a look about this tick chart. The whole day, actually, when it open, it just shoot up, okay? Shoot up. And you can see it stands above the yellow line here, right? Above the yellow line, so means quite strong. If you missed the buy point at the beginning, later on have another time to buy. And now I show you 1 minute chart, because some investors give me feedback, say that if I use the tick chart to find the buy and sell point, it's a little bit not so clear. So maybe you can go to 1 minute chart, because 1 minute chart you can also put indicators here. So this is a 1 minute chart. 1 minute chart, then we can use this trend ladder, also can track the entry point and exit point. So we can see today, I make it bigger. So this is today's, we can check the time in the bottom area. The blue bar is the time. So you see today, this is today, 9 o'clock, the first minute, it just gap up, right? It just gap up. And later, if you missed it up, later on you have another chance. Okay, when the green turn to red, you can still buy, right? You can still buy. So later on also, just buy and just keep holding. And later on, if okay, it just remind you, keep reading. Okay, now turn to green now. Later we'll wait for the entry point. Okay, here the green bar turns to red again, can entry again, and then till, okay, where? So here entry again, right? Entry again, then hold here, then you can exit, then entry again like this. So intraday also can make good money. For example, the biggest chance is this time, because at the same time you can see the dragon also very strong at that time. So you can see only 38 minutes, you have 25%. Not bad, right? For intraday player. No problem, very easy to entry if you have this Homely software. And of course, you say maybe I do the work, I was doing the work, I am middle term, middle short term, and I also catch these strong shares. How to prepare before today's market open? Of course, you need their Homely software to filter for you, okay, to do the filter. Very simple filtering method here. You can just go to the dark horse filter. Because why? Before we also shared if the whole market, okay, if the whole market is go to sideways, because now you see the KLCI is in sideways, right? Then you can go to the dark horse filter, okay, dark horse filter, and then you choose the default day is yesterday. You just click filter, then all the strong shares will be come out. You see the third column, okay, the third column. Then you can see here. And then actually finally we find 130 shares, 130 shares. Of course, not everyone you can buy, right? You need to analyze. So the analyze ability takes time to improve. It's not so easy, but at least you have the chance throughout all the 1,000 shares, right? Compared to 130 shares to 1,000 shares. Of course, easier for you to win if you filter in this 130 shares, right? So you see, later on, we'll wait for another wire. And after it finished, you will show this strong type here. Because I just tried already, totally 130 shares yesterday, which is stronger than the index, okay? Because index in goes sideways, so you find the shares is stronger than the index, which already in uptrend. So here we can find this share. This is the one, right? This is the one. Because you can also do the further filtering for this one, right? So after your entry, and you can see actually this share 2 days ago, the bankers already control, right? This day is the banker chips 41%. Then Tuesday, the bankers already more than 75%. It has around 70%, 90%. Yesterday is 82%. So if you enter, you use the software and you have do the preparation, you've entered 2 days before already. Okay, but if you say I already missed, and now can I still buy in, right? So we take a look about the daily chart. So you see today just gap up and just have 100% already, right? Of course, also have news influenced, right? News influenced. Then should I still entry, or do I still have a chance in this afternoon? Maybe this is a question, but actually this afternoon chance better for those short-term traders. If you are not short-term traders, you can wait after the market close and then you use the software to diagnosis. If this afternoon you still can monitor the share, their shares, now is red color, right? It's red color. Later on, you can also wait for their correction, because 1 minute chart is always easy for you to find the correction. Correction is when the red bar turns to green bar. Okay, later on, when the green bar turns to red bar again, you can enter again for short-term traders. But if it didn't, be careful, because we can see so far why I say like that, because now in tick chart the bank is still there, they didn't finish yet. Okay, so you use the software to follow, to monitor, okay, until they disappear, and maybe here have a sideway, and then be careful about that. But if you're day trader, or if you're medium long term, you can find yes tomorrow, okay, maybe you will have a gap down, right? You will have a normal correction. But if correction, it can stand above half price of this positive candle, still be okay, right? Means the correction is still healthy, not so strong correction. This is for medium long term. So make sure you know your trading style first. Okay, this is a simple explanation for top one of today's share. Okay, but if for intraday player, you still go to the quotes and then to find it. But now I will share the method, the filtering method for people who do maybe medium short term or medium long term. And that filtering method also suitable for short term. Okay, so you can just go to our Sophie, Homely Sophie, right? Homely Sophie. You take a look about this banker chips. If your first time to watch my video, you can see this red one is actually the institutional funds. Institutional funds is the market maker of the market, is the real reason who can push up the price continuously and stable. So the first thing you find this one, and you choose the share, okay, the share with the banker chips more than 75% or 50%. Now we try about 75% because 75% is more stronger, okay, more stronger. But of course, their quantity also very less, not so much. Okay, we just go to filtering system. You just choose the filtering system. You just choose the MCD 75% first day. Just click filter. Okay, and then you need to analyze one by one. Of course, some of them will be passed because not good pattern, not so active. You pass them, and then you think it's potential list, and then you put in your watch list. Then the other day, you can just entry, right? You can just entry. Okay, so totally is 19. So many of them very good one. For example, 0148. This is a filtering yesterday. So if you do homework today, at least have 6 shares today. Very good chance. Okay, so first one 0148. Let me see. 0148. So today have 38%. So today, if you are mid short term, you use 60 minute also no problem, or 30 minute trend expert. Use the trend expert. 30 minute also can. You see 30 minute today 11:30 have buy point. Can you see 11:30? Because the green turn to red is the buy point. The banker chips used to double confirm your trend is okay or not. Because we just see daily chart is more than 50% ready. So you just entry, find the entry point in minute chart, 60 minute chart. If you buy here, now 1 hour and a half, you have 38% ready. Okay, this is the result you have been prepared before. We didn't catch in the top gainers, right? We just filter by the software yesterday already. We do the preparation. So that's why you can catch today, right? Catch today. This is the first one, and we can choose others. For example, 5206 also yesterday with the bankers more than 75% the first day. Then we take a look in the chart. You can see today. Today this is 30-minute chart. If its daily chart is just sideways, a little bit sideways, right? A little bit sideways, didn't drop a lot, but just make it even here, right? Make it even. But actually the banker still hang there, right? Still remains. So not bad. So how about this one? 5162. Yesterday also have bankers more than 75%. So we can just check. Today have 10%, not 10% also not bad, right? And you can also go to the mini chart to find the buy points. This is a 60 minute, this is a 30-minute chart. Okay, 30-minute chart. Or you go to 50-minute chart. 50-minute chart, here is the buy point today, yesterday, this is yesterday. And another buy point is just now, okay, 12:30. And if you are short term, you see here is the entry buy point. Green to red is the entry buy point for intraday. And also we take a look about other one, for example, this one, 5289 yesterday, also very good. And you can see the bankers keep increasing, very, very good. 5289. Also today have 3%, not bad, right? In the tick chart also have chance, buy here, sell here, then buy back here, sell here, right? Then if we go to the daily chart and we go to, for example, the 30-minute chart. 30-minute chart also have buy point here, 11:30, right? 11:30. And if you go to 60-minute chart here, today 10 o'clock, yesterday 10 o'clock have buy point. And of course, we have others. For example, 70, this one also good, and Texan also good, right? Texan, 7095 also very strong one, right? Bankers more than 75%. Today have 3%, not bad, right? And the buy point in 60 minute chart is yesterday 12 o'clock, and you can go to 30 minute chart. 30 minute chart today, also yesterday. Okay, if tick chart, you have your buy point here, right? Buy point here, sell here, buy back here, sell here. Okay, always have chance to buy in. And now we do diagnosis for you. So this is the method I share you how to catch them about the shares about to boom up. Okay, first share is for Susan. Susan 5210. Susan Chen. And this share, you say your entry price is around, this is daily chart. This is daily chart. We can see this 5210. 5210. Bumi Armada. Bumi Armada is actually the trend is not so good. Actually, before we also shared, the trend is not good because all the share is below the white line. White line is the strong boundary, okay, boundary between the strong share or bearish share. So it's kind of a bearish share. So only medium short term. Of course, the bankers is around 50%, didn't push up. This share can only have bigger chance if the bankers can push up. So far, we see today's chart. This is daily chart. Also, no big increase. So just sideways, 2% slightly. Your entry price is 240, 24. So still in sideways. So actually, you can wait when the bankers just have big difference compared to before. We mean it's kind of a breakout. Then you have better chance. Otherwise, it's just no big chance in sideways. 0083. Notion. Notion is better than Boomi because already stand above the white line, but also the bankers only 40%. Also, no momentum, no capital to push it up. So if you do medium long term, no big problem, because it stand above the white line. If you do short term, we go to today's chart. Okay, this is Notion. If you do medium short term, you can do some today's intraday, no big chance, only this wave, right? Later on, it just drop. And the mini chart today, we see if have buy point or not. You use a trend expert. Yesterday have buy point, but today, yesterday already have sell point already. Today, low big chance for medium short term. Okay, from Charlie 4464. 4464. This one is not active, right? This one, why so inactive? So inactive, I guess it's hard for you to sell or to buy, right? Even the bankers have around 50%, but actually it's a little bit inactive. So, and you said you have 20 cents, I think just recently. And also recently, no big good buy point, even today, still green color, okay? No buy point, be careful. If you do short term, we go to tick chart, also very inactive. Because we know if you do short term, must make sure this share is very active. Otherwise, nobody play with you, something like that, because nobody trade in this share. Okay, choose a share which is very active or tends to become active. Okay, we'll take a look about today's comment below the video. Trend ladder got buy signal written on it. Oh yes, I think I put a yes. You do you have PC key? You can also try. You will also have. And Darren, how to press the indicator out? Trend ladder here here trend ladder. MWSI. Darren 7148. 7148. I don't know if you have this one or not. So Darren So we take a look about the chart 7148. So it's also boom back, right? And we can see before it's kind of a strong share, right? Already break a new high, very strong. And from last week, July 15, the bankers already push up to 75%. If you bought that day, you can hold, right? You can hold till today. And if you want to do intraday today, only have this small chance. Later on, lead to cut loss here. Okay, when you break down the yellow line, cut loss later on don't have good chance. And if you medium short term, we go to 60-minute chart or 30-minute chart, medium short term, also have sell point at 12 o'clock. Okay, today's 12 o'clock have sell point. But if you say you are medium long term, then should be okay, because this is daily chart. Daily chart is still red color. Medium long term should be okay. Jack Van 0028 0028. This one 0028 entry price is 165 also recently. So I guess you are short term or medium short term. This share from longer term, kind of sideways, right, in downtrend, also have resistance here. So cannot, your strategy, cannot very long. And it break up the white line, but it draw back a little bit. Now have buy point here. Okay, have buy point here. So it seems that we need to prepare for the buy point today. So for daily chart, you can buy today, no problem, right? And if for tick charts, if you're intraday, you also have a buy point, but here you need to sell for intraday, right? This is the first sell point. When you break down the yellow line, is the second sell point. And later you wait actually if you have better chance or not. So far the bankers already decreased for intraday player, but for day trader I think you already enter. I just keep holding, no problem. Of course, if you are medium long term, you need to set your stop loss. Stop loss can be set just this sideway, just this sideway. If you break down, cut loss. Always set your cut loss if you're not very sure. Okay, legs 9601. So this one 60 cents. Your entry yesterday, I think, a little bit chasing high. So you need to go to the chart. Okay, for example, we use 60-minute chart, have sell point. Sell point yesterday, 5 o'clock, legs. Okay, you see, yesterday's 5 o'clock have sell point to the sell yesterday. If 30-minute chart also have sell point yesterday, 3:30, okay, should sell. Till today, no buy points. So today the sell point, the price is around 665. So you bought at 6. So actually, after the price go to 665, you should sell. And I'm not meaning this don't have chance later. Maybe have chance later, but you wait until the green turn to red. Okay, so you see, so important for you to have this software to follow your entry point and exit point. Even it's a strong share, if you didn't catch the right rhythm to entry, you also lose money. Now the trend is still no problem. If for medium long-term trader, you still can hold. And the medium long-term trader, your entry price is this day. When the green bar turns to red bar, I make it bigger this day. This day is this Monday you entry. Till now you can still hold, no problem. And you can see if you this Monday you have it, till now you have 38% already. Not bad, right? Lex. And so many. Okay, last one. So many. Peter N. IKH. Okay, this share. This share your entry price is 0.14. Also a little bit higher. So today don't have a good chance if you do medium short term, because when we see 6-minute chart, yesterday 3 o'clock have sell point ready, till today no buy point. And if intraday today also no big chance, because it all below the yellow line, right? No big chance. And the bank is also very less. But of course, this afternoon, if you break up the yellow lines, they have chance, right? If you trade below the yellow line, must be very careful, very small capital. Okay, of course, if you want to know more details about the software filtering method, you can come to me. And of course, we will have a very good class for you to introduce the whole system of a Homely software and the Homely training course this coming Sunday and the Saturday. Saturday is Mandarin version of golden wave methods to lock your profits, conducted by our Master One from China. And also, English version will be in this Sunday, 10 a.m. So you can, all the members no need to register. We receive their course informs from our customer service line. And non-members need to register. You can send WIN WIN to 011-1652-7962. Non-members, please send WIN WIN to 011-1652-7962. We open 80 seats, free seats for non-members. So yeah, just grab your handphone and then send me. I will book the seats for you. It's online one via Zoom platform. And you also know that Homely software will have a price up 700 ringgit soon. Okay, so for member, you will also have higher value of this software. If you're non-member, please you can join members earlier, okay, from me, and then can use the software earlier. Okay, so more details, you can send your shares to my WhatsApp here, 011-1652-7962 to directly share, and also can sign up the class for free. And we also have branch in offline, KL Central, JB Austin High, and the PG Hotel Royal. Just let me know if you also want to do one face-to-face offline. Both members and the non-member, you can book from me. I will let you know the details. Okay, thank you very much for your watching. And if you can benefit a little bit from today's video, please give me a like, and also can share this video to your stock friends. Okay, thank you very much, and see you tomorrow. Bye.
山风轻，百回，月下落花随流水。路过擦拭曾经用你柔情换我的眼泪，但爱恨都败退，没谢幕的人啊，镜中月只被砸碎，做一场宿醉。手牵的玫瑰，多寻相害的余味，猜测无解答案散了满地，也是种浪费。我才终于明白，终于明白，不能被施舍的是爱。取下堆积的柴，就